transcends boundaries. Dance becomes a dialogue between the artist and the audience when it elegantly flows from the artist and envelops our hearts. Now, we have a dazzling performance, Unity Through the Eyes of the Next Gen by Mr. Lakshman Kamini from Focolare Movement. Lakshman, a professional dancer trained in ballet, jazz, hip-hop and contemporary, has Bollywood in his blood. On a cultural level, he has represented India and Nepal on international stages. Lakshman, a versatile person, can guide people through movement to discover new dimensions and dynamics in dance. Mr. Lakshman, the floor is yours.
I made some big mistakes and I said some things I shouldn't think out loud.